Hello students, I am Ms. Vibha from Maa Kalyanika Public School, Pendra Road, Chhattisgarh. In this video, I am going to teach you class 3rd Maths exercise number 3.2. Yes students, 3.2 is the second video of chapter number 3. So I have written here chapter 3 part 2. So students, here question number A is given and question number B. Yesterday, means in the previous video, we have solved which exercise 3.1. The chapter is subtraction. So students, here also subtraction is only given, only the digits are increased from that. Okay. So simply students, I have solved few questions for you. So now come how to solve, just let's see. Okay. So 2000, question number A is subtract. You have to simply subtract, already it is in column. So two questions I will do for you. This is question number 5. 1 and 5. Okay. So see, because rest of questions are nearly equal to these two questions. So 2216 and 2 minus 203. So simply students, you have to solve 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. 1 minus 0, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. And 2 minus nothing is there means 0. 2 minus 0 is simply 2. So students, the answer received in question number 1 is 2003. How to read? In chapter 1 we have read. Yes, of course. How to read? 2003 because ones, tens, 100, 1000. So 2000, tens and hundreds, 0 is there. So simply 2003. Okay students, now move to question number 5. Yes, see from, you can see from your book question number 5 I am solving here. 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. 8 minus 7, 1. 9 minus 5, 4. And 5 minus 2. Yes, this is very easy for you simply because borrow is not given in this question. So simply you have to calculate, you have to subtract here, and in this way we have received the answer 3412. Yes students, answer number 5 is 3412. Rest of the question 2, 3, 4 and after 5 it is 6, 7 and 8. That questions are nearly equal to this. So in this way you can understand the question and rest you can solve from your book. Yes students, now moving to question number B. See, write in column and subtract. Question number B is write in column and subtract. See students, in question number 1 already the questions are given in columns. But here in question number B, question is given horizontally. Means you have to first arrange and then you have to solve. So see students, 495 from 8695. So students, in exercise 3.1 also question number B was like this, only the digits were different. Okay. So from this number means you have to write first this number 8695 minus you have to write 495. So students, be careful in writing the second number because see, first number ones, tens, 100,000. See, really I have written with proper space. Then here, this is 4-digit number, but this is 3-digit number. So students, please be careful. Don't do mistake in writing this number here because it is ones, tens, 100. So from the right side, if you will write the second number, it will be very easy for you, good for you. Why? Because from if left side you are writing here 495. So simply in one's place nothing will be there and that answer will be totally wrong. So students, remember after writing the first number of calculation, you have to write the second number from the right hand side. One more thing, in subtraction what you have to remember, the bigger number should be written first and the smaller number in the second line. So now subtract here students, 5 minus 5, 0, 9 minus 9, 0, 6 minus 4, 2 and then 8 minus nothing is there means 0. So 8 minus 0 is 8. So the answer received in question number B1 is 8200. Yes students? Yes, I hope it is very easy for you. after solving 3.1, because same type of question is there, same pattern is there, only the digits are increased. Okay. So now moving to the next question. Question number 4. Okay. B4. You can see from your book B4. So 1999 you have to subtract from 9999. So students, first you will write 9999 minus this number. So starting from the left side, first 9, then one more 9, then one more 9, then 1. So see students, you can read the number 9999 minus 1999. So simply subtracted, 9 and minus 9 0, 9 minus 9 0, 9 minus 9 0, and 9 minus 1 8. So students, answer received in question number 4 is 8000. Okay, first we have written this number and then lower number is this. Now moving to question number 7. So students, 1531 from 5662. So students, from this number. So from this number means first you have to write that number only. 5662. Yes, 5662 minus. From the right side again start 1, 3, 5 and then 1. So students, you can see simply here 5662 minus 1531. This is greater number, this is a smaller number. Okay. So see students, now subtract here. 2 minus 1 is 1. 6 minus 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. 6 minus 5. 1. And 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. So students, I had solved question number 7 also for you, but I am thinking that borrow question is not coming in this exercise. So after question number 7, one more question I am solving for you here. Okay, that is question number last 9th. This is of B only. Okay, question number B. So I am writing here B9. So student, question is 6252 from, question is 6253. But this is also same. Leave this question. I am moving to next, that previous question, that is question number 8. See students, 1531 from 5662. So I hope students, all the questions are nearly same. 5662, bigger number 1531. So this is also same. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 6 minus 3, 3. 6 minus 5, 1. And 5 minus 1, 4. So students, question number 7 of A is having borrow. So according to question number A and B of exercise 3.1, and now I have solved 3.2 for you. So according to this solution, you can solve rest of the questions from your book. Thank you for watching.